Hello guys, it's your girl Sylvia, the owner of the fashion and beauty blog Kesy-Content. So today I want to show you how I draw my eyeliner. This is actually my first video on YouTube. I hope you like it. I'm going to show you how to draw two different eyeliner styles. The first is the simple eyeliner style without winging. Then for the second one, we'll be doing a winged eyeliner. So there are two different types of eyeliner actually. This is one liquid eyeliner, there's really no name to it. I bought it in the market for I think 200 naira. I got this gel eyeliner for 1000 naira. It's eyeliner from Kylie. It's 1000 naira. It comes with three different tools actually. The eyeliner gel, the eyeliner brush, and like an eye pencil. But I broke that one somehow, so I had to throw it away. That's about that. So I'll show you how to apply eyeliner. I'm taking a little content from my eyeliner gel. I like to do this just so that I don't take too much product on my. You know, as black girls, we actually have to make it a little more obvious because we are dark, so it's not quick to identify the eyeliner. So I like to make it bold. Now, as you can see, what I'm doing here, I'm actually tapping. Now, that's it. You can actually make it look bolder than this if you want to. Probably you're not applying eyeshadow, so you can just add a little more to make it bold. Depends on you though, and it depends on the look you're trying to create. So I'll just do the second eye. That's it. We're just going to wing this one now. Now this is where a lot of people have issues. Now one of the mistakes that a lot of people make, and I used to make, is that I don't work with the angle. Now you just have to measure at an angle of 45 degrees. You understand? Now you don't want to go this way. That's wrong, and you don't want to go this way either. So it's in between here and here. Now if this is also confusing you, probably you're still not getting it right, you can do this. So you just put a pencil or a ruler from the side of your nose to the side of your eye. That is how your wing should go. So I'm just going to wing this one. Now I've created the wing. Now the next thing I'll do is to join it to this already made one, just like this. Can you see that? It's that easy. Now you can make it wing as long as you want. The longer the wing, the fatter your eyeliner would look actually. So you can decide to add more, but the kind of eye that I have, if I make it any longer than this, it would look awkward. So I just like to make my wing this short and quick because I'm black, or rather I'm dark. So I want it to really show, so if I'm not applying eyeshadow. something I always do. I blend it down. Can you see that? So I'm just going to do this second eye. If you want to make it look even sharper than it is right now, you can use your concealer to clean it up, or your foundation. Probably you're not putting on the full makeup and you just want to clean off your eyeliner. You can use your foundation so that it blends into your skin immediately. You don't have to start blending. So right now I'm using my concealer though. So I just took a little to the back of my palm. Now it's looking sharper. So I'm just going to do the same for the second one. So that's it. This is my first video on YouTube. I hope you like this content. I'm going to create a lot more content for you guys. Thank you very much. Bye.